Hey guys, today I've got to finish the exhaust on my K5 Blazer. I've only got it partially completed. I just did it because I was excited to get it on the road and drive it, and it was going to take a little more time to make it drop out the sides. So right now it's just kind of dropping right behind the rear axle. So I've definitely got to do something with that. So I'm going to add some exhaust. I've got some tubing down here, my chrome tips. I've got a mess of tubing, just gonna cut the other tip off right there. Just gonna kind of redesign this exhaust. Gonna basically have it try to run right down and through here and try to keep it a little bit away from the gas tank. I don't want to get that hot, but I kind of won't have a choice. There'll be a small section here that'll come over. So I've got this guy here, and I'm just going to tack some pieces I've cut. So what I did do is make some lines on here where this piece needs to weld, and I'll show you on the next one. But you can basically line these guys up, and I can tack it. So. So I've kind of got some bands that I've kind of cut mid-range. So we'll go ahead and see how this thing's going to fit. About where I want it. I just got to put some hangers on it and weld it first. I want to get the other side done before I weld anything. Put a couple marks on it. I'm going to just tack these into place and then come back and fit this. So I've just got to weld this together. I've got it kind of mocked up where I want it. And I also have these hangers. I'm going to put one hanger off the frame right here onto the pipe. And then I have my roll cage roll bar here that mounts the cage to the frame. And I'm probably going to mount one of these off of there to the pipe. So just so they don't move around and they stay where I want them to be. But should be awesome. Hey guys, got the exhaust all welded in, put the hangers in. They turned out pretty good. I've kind of threw some high temperature spray paint on my welds so they don't rust, but should be nice. We're gonna lower this down, hook up the battery, because I had to disconnect the battery to weld, and see what she sounds like. Boy, it sounds good. A little different. Definitely quieter in the car. Let's rev it up. out awesome. Those exhaust tips look super clean. Sounds nasty. Alright guys, well, got that exhaust on. Hit subscribe. Check out more of the things I'm doing. Just little projects here and there. But awesome. Thanks for watching.